and this request was not adhered to. This request and instructions by lawful orders by a public servant were disobeyed, and this procession kept on continuing in the direction. And then rope parties were deployed. Ropes were used to restrain this unlawful procession. This was also not adhered to. The procession, the members of the procession pushed the pushed the policemen who were trying to control this unlawful procession, and they even grabbed the hand of one of the police officers and pushed and dragged him. In this situation, one of the police officers has used his lathi. He swayed the lathi in the front of the procession to disperse this unlawful procession, and not peacefully trying to just control the procession using ropes, but they are overpowering. See how they are manhandling the circle inspector, how he is being manhandled and pushed back. This is one of the politicians. He's a member of the TDP Politburo, and in violation of Model Code of Conduct, he is participating. He is conducting an unlawful procession in this place where he has not taken any advance permission. Here, one person is also seen to be trying to grab the radio set from the hands of the circle inspector. Please continue. Some of the members of the procession are also carrying sticks, which is totally in violation of any sort of permission that has been granted. Seven persons who have been granted permission by the Honorable High Court to participate in this procession. This list was submitted by the Amravati Parivakshan Committee on their own, and none of the people in this video are part of this list. Hence, this procession is totally illegal and unlawful. Then, and again, as I would again like to reiterate, that one politician is also seen over here without any prior permission from the concerned authorities. This thereby it is construed as a violation of Model Code of Conduct, which has been implemented as per the directions of the Chief Election, the Central Election Commission of India and the State Election Commission of Andhra Pradesh, and hence a criminal case has also been registered in this regard and is being investigated into. And I would also like to emphasize the fact that yesterday one press note was also circulated from the office of SP Prakasham, in which SP Prakasham appealed to all political parties and political leaders to obey the Model Code of Conduct and to adhere to it, which is being enacted by both CEC and SEC, and not indulge in any violation by conducting any political activity in public sphere without taking prior permission. So, despite this appeal which was made yesterday, these violations have occurred today. Moreover, I would like to say that ever since the Mahapadyatra has entered, today this press meet is about done lathi charge on innocent and peaceful farmers. So, alage idi claim chestunnaru andaru. So, this is about the reality of the incident. So, today at around 11:30 AM, at the entrance of Chandravada village, it was observed that one procession of around 250 to 300 members, which was being led by Mr. Alapati Rajendra, who is ex-MLA of Tenali, ex-minister also, and belonging to the Politburo of Telugu Desam Party. He was this procession, which was travelling in the opposite direction to the Padyatra, in the opposite route. So,